Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WeChat account without a QR code. First, open the WeChat app on your mobile phone and make sure you're logged in into your account. If you're not, click on the sign up button to sign up. You can sign up with mobile or using Facebook. To sign up with mobile, you will have to enter your name, your region, your phone number and a password, and you will be introduced to the terms and conditions. If you click there and then go to help.wechat.com, it will take you to this page. Here you can click on send feedback and you will have to select the platform, the region, and then in the description you can type something like I need help in registration to a new account. Then it will ask you to put your phone number and your email, and then you can submit the request and wait for the support team to contact you and help you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.